Hey everyone, welcome back to DV Techies. I'm Vishwas, and today we have an exciting journey ahead as we dive deep into the world of WordPress website design. And today's episode will be your trusty guide as we take you through the step-by-step process of creating a stunning WordPress website. So we'll cover everything you need to know, from choosing a perfect theme that suits your style to adding essential plugins that boost your website functionality. We'll show you how to craft and compelling pages and content, and even how to use Elementor for advanced editing. So we'll make sure your website is user-friendly by adding seamless navigation menus. So now let's get started. So first you'll have to go to the website section and select the website you need to edit. So it'll redirect us to the admin panel. So here's the admin dashboard. So now we are going to add essential plugins to our website. So for that you need to go to the plugins sections and please install all the plugins which are shown in the video. So first search for the Elementor and hit the install now button. So below you can find essential add-ons for the Elementor, and now you can install that too. So next, install the Yoast SEO. So this will help us to improve your search engine optimization. So once the plugin installation is completed, go to the install plugins. So under install plugin section, select all the plugins and activate it. So now the installation of plugins is done. So now let's choose a theme for our website. So you have to hover on the appearance on the select theme and click on add new theme button. So there are thousands of themes for free. So I prefer Astra because it works well with Elementor. So now click on the install and activate it. So once after the activation, you can cross-check the website by refreshing it. So now let's create the pages and content for the website. So by clicking on the pages, so I'll be needing 3 different pages for my website. So I'm opening 3 new tabs. So you can create n number of pages according to your needs. So first page, I'll name it as home and then publish the page. Next, I already have pre-written content for my pages. You can add your content and publish it. So once you refresh, you can find all your pages here. So next, to set your static home page, go to reading under settings. So select static page by choosing your home page. In case if you have any blocks, you can select under post page and then save changes. So you can now see that the home page is live. Now let's set up navigation menu. To set up menu, hover on your website name and select menu and give your menu a name, and then add all the pages which has to be appeared in the menu. You can also rename your page title here. So once you rename, please select the primary menu and save changes. And now you can see that the menu is ready. Okay, so now let's learn how to edit in Elementor. So for that, click on edit page and then click on Elementor option. So it'll redirect us to an Elementor editing section. So now here click on the template icon and please click on the install button. So once after the refresh, click on the template again and you'll find hundreds of templates. So here you need to sign in with your account by creating a new username and password. So once after the process completes, you can now install your templates. So once after the login, first go to the pack section and select on free plugins and dependencies and cross out pro plugin dependencies and click on started to choose a template. So now select a template according to your wants. So I have selected a digital agency website template. Since I'm editing homepage, we'll insert the homepage template. Now click on install and proceed to import. Here you can see that we have got a beautiful theme and a template for a website. We can replace all text, images and embed links too. Okay, now let's learn how to edit or replace text. So for that, double tap on the text you need to edit. So under the text editor panel, you can replace the text. So now let's see how to edit a button and embed link to it. So for that, click on the button you need to edit and replace with the text you need, and copy the page URL that has to be embedded in the button, and now paste the link in the link box and then update the Elementor. And now let's check the live website. So you can now see that the text is changed and the button is working. Okay, so now let's learn how to add an heading. So it's very simple. You can just drag, drop and edit. It's as simple as that. You can even drag image and replace it. And next is the columns. So you can add columns by selecting the structure panel, and again you can drag and drop your necessity. You can also add URL to the images. Okay, now let's see how to add a logo to a website. So for that, first click on customize button, and here's the theme customization panel. So you can edit the theme of the website like color, typography, header, footer, page layout, sidebar and widgets. So to edit logo, click on the header to add logo. So now you can click on the select logo to upload your logo and publish it and view the changes. So we have reached the end of a WordPress website design. I hope this tutorial is not only informative but inspiring. So building a WordPress website from scratch can seem daunting, but with the right guidelines and a little creativity can turn your ideas into stunning reality. So thank you so much for joining us today on DV Tech. So if you found this video helpful and informative, hit the video with a thumbs up button and consider subscribing DV Tech for more exciting web design and web development videos. So until that, bye from Vishwas from DV Tech.